Our first tip to save on car maintenance is to prioritize regular maintenance like oil changes, tire rotations, and tune-ups. This will ensure your car stays in top shape, preventing costly repairs in the future. Scene 2 is about the importance of choosing high-quality parts for your car. Using better parts may seem pricey at first, but they last longer and save you money over time. In the third scene, we emphasize adopting mindful driving habits. Smooth acceleration, avoiding harsh braking, and keeping a check on speed can reduce wear and tear on your vehicle, prolonging its life. Our fourth tip is all about shopping around for the best deals on repairs. By comparing prices from different mechanics and auto shops, you can save big on your car maintenance. Remember, negotiation is key. In our final scene, we focus on discovering and acting on potential issues. Invest in preventive maintenance, good quality tires, synthetic oil, and drive safely to ensure a longer-lasting, cost-effective driving experience.
Service Genie, car maintenance, made easy.